Hello and welcome to Cooking with Harlow. Today we're going to make garlic and cheese biscuits. First you take your bag of biscuits and it looks like this, super easy. And then you take a half a cup of water and you mix it in a bowl like this. So just mix it all the way until it's completely dissolved into the powder. Now, you should have a finished product that looks like this. It should be kind of hard to the touch. You might think it's too thick, but it's just right. I'm gonna get a glass pan like this and grease it. I've already greased mine. It's not dog slobber, I swear. And with 2 spoons, what you're gonna wanna do, quit it, is take a ball like this. Sorry. And then plop it. And then do the same for the next one. No! Harlow! Okay, so now we're going to do a close-up version so that Harlow doesn't eat the dough. Okay. We're going to have a little bit less now. No! Because Harlow decided to have a nice snack. And we're gonna make a small one just for her because she's my baby and she deserves to eat what I eat. If I got it, she's got it. Place them inside of the oven and let them bake for a long time. While waiting, you can enjoy a nice glass of red wine since you got in trouble at work today. You want some? She's not old enough. While you wait, you can play a fun game of fetch. Come on, Stinky, bring me the ball. They're starting to look delicious. Harlow is ready to check them out now. They look like they are ready to go. So we're going to take them out safely. And now, if you have done it exactly as I have said, you will end up with beautiful, fluffy, brown biscuits. Harlow agrees they're her favorite side meal at dinner. I think she likes them. Harlow tested and Brianna approved.